5 settings to make Tokyo Xtreme Racer way less annoying. Takes 30 seconds. Rivals won't stop talking between races. The minimap doesn't match where you're driving. Screen shakes so hard you can't read the road. This is the fix. I've played for hundreds of hours. These are the first things I'd change if I had to start again. Escape, options, game settings, text speed fast. Default medium means every NPC monologues at you for way too long between battles. Minimap orientation, head up. Now the map rotates with your car instead of staying fixed north. Camera vibration 3. Default is too much and it's hard to read the road. Display on, input display toggle off. You don't need to see your button inputs on screen. Sound, drop your background music to about 20 or 30. You want to hear engines and tires. Audio cues matter more than the soundtrack when you're weaving through the game. Start a rival battle. Text flies by, map makes sense, camera stays steady. Small changes, but you'll feel the difference immediately. Graphics and controller settings in the links below. Those are the big ones. Subscribe so the next person finds this too.